350i 0-point clamping chuck maintenance. To clean the 0-point clamping chuck, remove the holder that is in the machine by pressing the release holder button as displayed here in the remote software. Be sure to have your hand inside of the machine holding onto the holder as it is released. Once the holder is released, remove it from the machine. To clean the clamping chuck, we recommend to use WD-40. Spray the WD-40 inside of the chuck, getting it all around the bearings inside of the chuck. Let this sit for approximately 10 minutes. If you have access to compressed or canned air, you can use that along with a paper towel to clean out the WD-40. Cover the chuck with the paper towel and place the air nozzle behind the paper towel and spray into the chuck. Do this a few times, checking the towel and changing to a clean side before each spray of air. If you don't have access to air, you can simply use a paper towel to clean out the WD-40 from inside of the chuck. Now you can place the holder back inside of the mill and press the release holder button to lock it back in place.